Can you like see me? Also, can you hear me? Because like there's a lot of noise over here. I just checked that clip. Of course you can see and hear me. Well, you can see me because you're here and because you have internet, and you can hear me because I am shouting right now. Wait, not really. Hi, I'm shouting right now. Well, people are looking at me, but I'm trying to figure out my fear of public. Speaking in public. The fear of public will never go, considering I'm in a country like India. And well, people who rape become ministers. Ha. Listen. Do you see just how beautiful the sky is? It is also the day when I'm exiting my hostel, and dude, you should go and check my Instagram story. The lighting today, I'm not even joking. The lighting is impeccable. Like, yes. My cab is about to come. I'm going to vlog this entire thing. This will be the third vlog of like me going from here to there. There's a lot of noise here. There's a lot of noise. And I will go now. My cab is about to come. If I have an intelligent thought, which I seem to lose track of when I'm recording in public, there's an auntie looking at me, I will speak it out if I remember it. God damn, this is weird. You know what happened? My cab was about to come. So this is a highway, and my college is over there. It is a good 15-minute walk. And there are rickshaws because people from the college need rickshaws to travel from this place to their homes. Now the thing is that I asked the cab driver to come to the college area. भैया आप यहाँ पे आ जाओ, क्योंकि जब तक आज से पहले जब भी cabs मंगाई हैं वो सारे गेट के ऊपर ही आई हैं. He was that fuck ass dude man. He was saying कि नहीं आपको यहाँ पे आना पड़ेगा ना. I was like भैया यार what are you doing ना? And then he was like नहीं, and then he started being rude and shit. So I was like, whatever man, you're not special. He was special, but I will never be the one to tell him that. The reason why he was special is because एक तो 880 चार्ज कर रहा था, और दूसरा because cabs are very scarce over here. तो मेरे को कैब की सख्त ज़रूरत है भेंचो यार अभी. But it's a good thing, मेरी फ्लाइट अभी रात को है, तो like my flight is at 9:20. It's a good thing that I'm early because अभी तो मेरे पास 3-4 घंटे हैं, तो I'll figure it out. I always figure it out. Listen, I feel like तुम्हारा मेरा एक मोटो होना चाहिए. We'll figure it. Like what I always say is, and I always do is, that I'll always figure it out. There's not one chance in hell that I will never figure it out. Like I will always figure it out. Which is why if you know me, let this be the key phrase, the starting phrase of this community that I'm building, that we are a part of. And you know, I'll always figure it out. Which I did. I ordered another cab, and now that motherfucker is coming. I always figure it out. Fuck ass bastard. He had the chance to take me of all people, me to the airport, and now he's acting up. Fuck ass people. I'm basically sitting in the cab away, and then that's me. We'll figure it out. Yeah, finally. जैसे यहाँ पे मौसम अच्छा होने लगता है, जाने का टाइम आ जाता है. It's like कोई चैन ही नहीं है. दिल्ली में अभी एकदम गर्मी हो गई है ना, 50 डिग्री टेम्परेचर हो गया. सुबह भी और शाम को भी, रात को -50 होगा, सुबह 50 डिग्री होगा. It's like कोई चैन ही नहीं है ब्रो. मेरा जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. That is what I'm saying basically. I'm in the airport, और मैं भी अभी फ्लाइट देख रही हूँ कब की है भाई. Anyway, this is the airport. This is the Pune airport. देखो ना 8:10 हो रखे हैं अभी, और मेरी बोर्डिंग 8:20 की है. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ यार अभी? मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ यार एयरपोर्ट में. ये कर रही हूँ मैं. ओके. और as you can see, मेरे हाथ में सामान बहुत है. I finally made it. Last call, but I made it. Because you know what? I always figure it out. Going home. I do not want to go home. Yeah. To get away from my parents, I came to Pune. Now I'm going home. Whatever the fuck home is for the holidays. Fuck. Anyway, I made it. I'm really happy about it. वरना पैसे वेस्ट जाते हैं. Yeah. Getting in. Finally getting in. Dude, I would have recorded बाकी का भी, but then time नहीं मिला मेरे को because I was already late. But anyway, तुम ये देख सकते हो. Also, you can see the reason why the laptop is in the hand is because मैंने उसको सूटकेस में डाल दिया and then I was afraid.
Electronic devices and
So
mobile phones.
the line is long. हाँ, तो I was taking मेरे लैपटॉप हाथ में इसलिए बिकॉज मैंने उसको गलती से सूटकेस में डाल दिया बिकॉज आई थॉट आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई थॉट आई डिड नॉट थिंक एनीथिंग दैट्स द पॉइंट. और फिर हाथ में लेना पड़ रहा है बिकॉज माई बैग इज़ छोटा छोटा एंड आई कैन नॉट पुट इट इन माई बैग देयरफॉर. क्या दिखाऊँ यार मैं तुम्हें यहाँ पे. हाँ, खाली प्लेन है. Hey, so I'm finally in the seat. Finally, bro. मैं last आई हूँ. पता है, like it was the last call, and then I was like, will I even be able to board the plane today? And finally, I have been able to board the plane. मेरी दादी ने मुझे वो लड्डू होते हैं ना,
Ladies and gentlemen,
not
for
laddu,
us
but
to
like
close the doors for
coconut,
an on-time
grated
departure,
coconut mixed
kindly
with powdered
store your
sugar.
hand baggage in the
वो
overhead
दिया था
bin
and
or under the
मैं
seat in
ख़त्म
front
नहीं
of
कर पाई,
you
so I had to
and
bring
take
it
your
back.
allocated
एक महीने पहले की बात है,
seat
this mom came to
This
visit
will
me
allow other customers
and now
to
everybody
pass
was
by
asking
you
me इसमें
and
क्या है,
this
इसमें
can
क्या है.
be
I was like
underway
लड्डू हैं, आप
quickly
खाओगे?
for an on-time
I was polite about it.
Thank you.
Anyway, I'm always polite by the way. Also, मेरे को सुसु आ रही है यार बहुत तेज से, बहुत like I want to pee. That's what I want to do. Try not to include anybody else's space. Yeah, I took the window seat and my laptop is also in my lap because I'm wearing buds and I'm wearing my headphones as well because bro, what was I thinking? I was not thinking. That's the thing, right? Anyway, I'm very excited here. Even though I am not excited to stay there, one thing I'm going to go heavy on is content creation because I really want like 10k people by the end of 2 months. Let's just make it happen. Help me out. Help a girl out. Let's build a community here. Let's build a safe place on the internet where we can talk about feelings and we can talk about our emotions and we can talk about our moods. By the way, those are 3 different things I learned that in semester 1. I'ma teach you. See, that's the thing, right? I'ma just come here and explain everything that I learned in class because that is what this is for. This is basically I'm documenting my life and I'm hoping that I catch some good friends along the way.
Baby or Sachin.
Having said that, I'm very happy that you are still here up until now. If you're seeing this, what should you comment? You should comment. You'll figure it out. You'll figure it out. I'll always figure it out. Comment that. अगर तुम अभी भी यहाँ पे हो. I also don't know if you can hear me because मेरे पास mics नहीं है. This is a very loud mic on the airplane. So yeah, there's that. मैं सुसु करने जा रही हूँ यार. I'll figure something out. Because मैं ऐसे बैठ नहीं पाऊँगी. Bladder is fucking full. I'm doing susu in the plane. That's the lighting, and you cannot see me because I won't show you myself down there. But yay, that's the first time. Oh my god, the relief, the relief. Hopefully you cannot hear me. Hopefully you cannot. Anyway, this is the lighting. That's the view. Okay, bye. Here I have no idea how people vlog every day. Like I have gathered every ounce of energy that is in me just to open up the phone and fucking start the recording. मैं थक चुकी हूँ यार. Also, like I've reached Delhi, so I feel happy. My parents are coming to pick me up. I don't know how I feel about it, right? Yeah, I just had a call. I don't know how people make a vlog, man. Like I had to gather every ounce of energy. Also, I met 2 dudes in the plane. They were good. They were alright. You know, they were good. What else? Nothing. I'm in Delhi, bro. That's it. Finally. I'll make one last vlog before I go to sleep. I'll take a shower, obviously, because why not? Yeah, I'm happy. I get real awkward in public, in case you haven't noticed. So there's that. Alright then, I'll see you later. Okay, तो अभी I'm sleeping. मेरे को अभी अचानक से याद आया that I was vlogging, so yep, I'm sleeping and good night. Also, I felt like my dad was very cold to me and my mom was also very cold to me, and I will explain all of it later. Bye bye. Good night.